Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon so you don't any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about green cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. I hope you love my cake designs. I hope you love the creativity. I hope these designs are fantastic and delicious. All the designs are amazing and beautiful. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this designs and this video is very authentic and creative. I hope you enjoy my video. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. I hope all the designs are very unique and trending. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These designs are very amazing. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These designs are very unique. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. These designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing. All the designs are amazing and beautiful. These designs look so attractive. Whether simple or beautiful, cake showcase love and celebrations. You can use each theme perfect for any celebrations. Consider these themed decor matching the occasions. I hope you like these designs with themed and color combinations. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, and take screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas, then please visit my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.